A powerful bomb cyclone winter storm caused widespread travel disruptions across the central and eastern U.S. on Sunday, following significant issues Saturday. Over 1,740 flights were canceled nationwide on Sunday, adding to nearly 2,500 cancellations on Saturday, with thousands more delayed. Charlotte Douglas International Airport was particularly hard hit, canceling over 800 flights Sunday due to its heaviest snowfall in decades. The storm brought heavy snow, high winds, and frigid temperatures, blanketing parts of the Carolinas, Virginia, Georgia, and West Virginia with over a foot of snow in some areas. Tens of thousands of customers also experienced power outages. Airlines advised passengers to check flight status before traveling. The U.S. Department of Transportation mandates refunds for canceled or significantly changed flights, even for non-refundable tickets, if an alternative is not accepted. However, federal law does not require airlines to provide further compensation for delays or cancellations, which is subject to individual airline policies.